See what I'm saying? This is what I call a blend. Hello, I am Shaniqua and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a wig application from a wig that I bought on TikTok from Wig Fever. If you haven't seen part 1 where I did the unboxing, this is a 22-inch water wave wig from Wig Fever with a HD lace. Watch and see how I customize it and then apply it. This is her after a good wash. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my lace tint so that I can get it to be my color. And then I'm going to put it back on. I'm gonna cut a little bit more of this lace in front. Now this is more like it. See what I'm saying? This is what I call a blend. Ooh, yes sir. This is, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna go in and take some of this lace off where I see a lot of extra, because I don't like extra lace. I'm gonna do a little bit of spray adhesive just to like keep it down. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup. You know how I feel about makeup in my lace. I'm not fond of it, so just to get the shine off of it, I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup in the front. The lace on this is chef's kiss. I can 100% wear her glueless once I tinted it. I want like a no part look. Like I just want it kind of to fall messy because it's still a little bit wet in the back. So once that dries, it's gonna dry big, and I don't want to put product in it until I see how it is all dried. But based off what I see in the front part that dried, this is how it's gonna look when it poofs up a bit. And that's kind of how I like to wear my curly hair because it makes it look a little bit fuller. I have a long day and I'm traveling, so I don't want to do a whole bunch of product. I just want it to look very natural and free flowing. So I'm just gonna take my hot comb like the slightest bit. Just to get all that hair back. Let the band stay on like a good 15 minutes. It already comes with some light layers in the front, so I'm not gonna do any. I'm pretty impressed with how it looks just kind of out of the box, essentially, and after a good wash. So after I tinted my lace, this is how it looks. I'm truly impressed. I'm happy with it. The lace goes all the way over here, so it gives you that illusion of a frontal. And I don't prefer frontals just on myself because I don't like dealing with a lot of lace, but I love a good closure. And because this gives me a closure but a lot of parting space, I love it. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I'm smiling, so I am very happy with this review. Kudos to Wig Fever. After I tinted my lace, I'm pleased. If I have to score it 0 out of 10, I would definitely give this wig a 9.5. Only downfall that I see is that it's 180 density, which is a little bit thinner than what I usually wear. They make it so that it's pretty easy to apply. And as you can see, I installed it very quick, very easy. It's still glueless because I used a little bit of adhesive spray because I just like a little bit more security. But after I tinted it, I do feel more secure knowing that I could put it on and go. If you love this wig or hate it, let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it. If you love this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.